What's going on, guys? Tony here, back again with another video for you guys. This is the MMB multimedia video box for your vehicle. So basically, if you have a factory radio in your car that supports Apple CarPlay, then you're in luck, because all you have to do is basically plug this in. As you can see there, that cable is provided, USB type C to USB type A plug, where you would normally plug in your iPhone, and this becomes a multimedia video box for your vehicle. And right now I'm going to give you a quick, you can see there I'm watching YouTube on my car stereo. So I love this thing basically because you're utilizing your factory radio. You don't have to do anything to it. I mean, the volume works. I got it turned down because I don't want copyright, but this is awesome. I really like this. And not only that, but you do get an Android operating system built in. I believe it's running Android 9, 4 gigs of RAM, which is crazy, and 32 gigs of storage. I'll show you all that here in a second. And I'll also show you the Android version when we go to settings. So this is it right here. It's got a light. It does have 2 different modes. Like right now it's in the Android mode, and it has a CarPlay mode. If you press the button, it'll switch over to CarPlay wirelessly. You'll be good to go. But let me go ahead and show you what else it does here. It does support the GPS, but they have an external GPS you can use. I'm not going to use that because I'd rather just switch it to Apple CarPlay and use my phone. But this is what it looks like, and let me see if I can show you guys. Here's the stuff that it comes with. It comes with a lot of things: the GPS multimedia box. You got the GPS box, the USB Type C to Type A port. You can see here CPU 4 cores. It says OS 7, but I'll show you that it's actually 9, and 32 gigabytes of internal storage. Let me see. It's telling you to plug into the fuse if you want to use the GPS. If your car doesn't have GPS, external GPS, and you want to use this, you can. That's this unit right there, which I'm not going to use. But yeah, so this will give you Android and Apple CarPlay wirelessly. So let's go ahead and jump right into it and show you the functionality. So right now it is on YouTube, so we're going to tap the screen, and we got a home button there. We can press home. Yeah, you do have picture-in-picture also. I forgot to mention that, and it's pretty damn smooth. Let me exit that out. Let me go back home again, and I'm not signed in to my Google account because I just wanted to demo this for you guys real quick. But we have Google Maps, we have Phonecast, we have a USB drive, which you can add a USB right there, a thumb drive with your music and all that, and you can play that. And we'll jump into settings real quick. I am connected to my phone, which I'm recording this video with, mobile hotspot. But you can see here, let me go back to settings, general settings. There's a version button here I want to show you. So here's the Apple CarPlay. If you tap CarPlay, it'll switch into CarPlay. It'll reboot, so it has to reboot the unit to do that. So I'm more interested in this right here. Is going to more apps, and this is Google Play, so you can enter your account, and you got YouTube, Google, Chrome, GPS test, which we're not going to use. You got the Google Assistant, so I'm guessing that's what the microphone is, and you got Netflix. So pretty interesting stuff here. Let me go back. I know I saw it okay, version. This is the version. Android version 9.0. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see here the RAM. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of internal storage. So that is that. This is huge. If you're like going to commute and do a long ride and you got Netflix there. I haven't set up Netflix yet, but Netflix is there. You can see that I have to sign in. I'm gonna go ahead and make a later video. This is just an introductory video right here. of this unit because I think it's incredible. You go back to YouTube, man. YouTube is dope. Let me go ahead and turn the volume on. Let me skip this ad. I'm not signed in, so once I sign in, we'll see what's going on.
Welcome to a suburban home.
This is pretty dope, you guys. So yeah, there you have it. MMB multimedia video box for your vehicle. This thing is dope. I'm definitely gonna make some later videos on it once I sign in to my Google account. But yeah, initial impressions, I give this definitely a thumbs up. I did review some other ones, like this one here. This is the CarPlay to Air, and this basically, if you watch the video that I uploaded, it's basically it just gives you wireless Apple CarPlay. So this car it came with Apple CarPlay, it just didn't come with the wireless Apple CarPlay, so I had to plug in all the time. So that's why I got this, just for the wireless functionality, where I could just get in the car and my phone could be in my pocket and it could auto connect. Basically that's what this does. But this here does the same thing, but it has added features. It has a whole Android operating system and the ability to play Netflix and YouTube. So this one is definitely a go. So that's it for right now. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this particular unit, the MMB, which is once again multimedia video box. We out.